Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the process on how I paint a plywood using a water-based paint. So let's get started. I prefer using water-based paint on my woodworking projects, mainly because of its advantages over the oil-based paint. My main consideration is that it is more eco-friendly as it doesn't use or produce harmful and hazardous chemical during the application or the cleanup process. Drying time is a lot faster and it emits zero or less odor than the oil-based paint. First thing to do is to prepare the plywood by sanding. I usually start sanding with a 120 grit sandpaper. I then followed it up using 220 grit sandpaper for a smoother surface. After sanding, I will clean the surface using a blower or a piece of cloth before applying the primer. Drying time for the primer is usually around 30 to 40 minutes. Once dry, I will then sand it with a 220 grit sandpaper. So after the primer, I will then apply the wood putty. The putty should cover the plywood grains, making the surface smoother. This is actually the secret to a good paint finish. For the putty, I usually let it dry for around 1 to 2 hours. I will then sand it again, and this time with 240 grit sandpaper. After sanding, I will then apply another coat of primer. Again, let it dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Proceed by sanding with the 240 grit sandpaper. It's now time to apply the first coat. For the top coat, I usually let it dry for around 40 to 60 minutes. I then do light sanding in between coats with a 240 grit sandpaper. Make sure you have a dust-free surface before applying another coat. I'm applying the second coat now. I normally apply a total of 3 coats, 4 if necessary, but usually 3 coats are enough and gets the job done already. On to the final coat. Let it dry and that's it. The painting process now complete. And that's how I paint a plywood using water-based paint. Thanks for watching the video. If you like similar content, please do subscribe to my channel. You may also try to click the bell button to get notified of my latest video uploads.